All right, so this 77 Bronco is really, really sweet. You can see the wheels, the method wheels on here. Love the suspension. We have the Bronco 1 right here behind us, but this is a 351 Windsor 408 stroker. Love how everything's laid out. The ignition, the coil up here on the sides, out of the way, out of the elements. Have the crankcase breathers. The winch is placed just right on. I love how that it's you know, it's not too big, right? It's just there, and that's a really cool bumper as well. Headlights, looks like LED lights. Wildwood brakes all the way around. It's got the disc conversion. The seats in here are incredible. Now check out that sort of gator skin armrest. Now this is all, if you see, have the modern features in this one, right? So it's a 77, last of the first gen, but obviously it's got the creature comforts that you'd want in a newer vehicle. AC, at least it's got the vents for it. Track bars, that gray paint it is nice. So there you are, folks. You want to customize a first gen, check out the 77. A Bronco with a lot of engine, a lot of sound from the speakers you can see. Updated Alpine roll bar. Loving the rear bumper, it's not too big. Awesome. Well, there you go, folks. Hope you like this one.